In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Facebook from Shopify. If you're running an online store and have decided to sever the link between your shop and Facebook, this guide will take you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and designed to help you manage your store more efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin account, which will bring you to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a panel filled with various options that help you manage your store. Locate the option labeled Apps. This is a hub where all your integrated applications reside, and it's the gateway to disconnecting Facebook as well. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll then need to navigate to the Apps and Sales channel settings. This will show you a detailed list of all the installed applications and sales channels linked to your Shopify store. Among these, you'll see the Facebook and Instagram app, which is what we're looking to remove. Next, to proceed with the uninstallation, you'll want to look for the three dots icon right beside the Facebook and Instagram app. This icon holds several options for managing the app's functionality. Go ahead and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to select Uninstall. Confirming this action will initiate the disconnection process between your Facebook account and your Shopify store. And there you go. With just a few straightforward steps, you have successfully disconnected Facebook from your Shopify store. This process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, allowing you to seamlessly manage the platforms you integrate with your business. Removing an app can sometimes feel like you're undoing hard work, but remember, it's all about keeping your operations fluid and tailored to your needs. Now, your Shopify store is no longer linked to Facebook, which might be the step toward a new strategy or simply a move toward decluttering your digital workspace. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like these. We strive to make managing your online store as easy as possible so you can focus on what you do best, running and growing your business. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more insightful content to come.